Welcome back to another episode, guys. So for today, you see this rust spot over here. I'm gonna have to do this one, and there's a tiny rust spot over there. I don't know if you can see it. That's right over there. So for what I'm gonna do today, P180 strip. I'm gonna sand this off, sand out all the rust over there that you can see over there. Gonna give it a bit of a primer, and then I'm gonna paint it. That's a quick game today. See how easy this P180 works. And it doesn't go too deep. I'm happy that it didn't go in, because then I'm gonna have to take the windscreen out. So yeah, I'm quite happy for this. Just a little bit of surface rust spot over there. Gonna have to take it out. Okay guys, as you can see, almost out. A tiny speck. And it's out, guys. Quick game. Now I have to do the other one. This one is going to be the same thing. It's only surface rust, so just sand it off. Open up the paint next to it because rust runs underneath your paint. And yeah, as you see the rust over there, it will definitely be running. So yeah, I'm just taking it off quickly. Put a primer there. And then I can paint it, guys. But do it properly. Okay, get into the groove. Take it out properly, don't think it's out when it's not out. Okay guys, so after you've sanded off that rust spot over there, best take a rubber of 2K. I actually use the Dukeson brand. So as you can see over there, wait till I flip the screen. I'm gonna use a 2K productive primer here. That's a surfacer, and I mean this is a good one. So I'm gonna mix it on a 2:1 ratio. As you can see over there, my measurements. So put it on a. I'm not gonna put a yacht on it. It's gonna be a small one, so it's a very small mark. So I'm gonna mix the least amount possible. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm going to do it on a 1, and it's such a small thing. Also for my activator I use Dukeson. I don't like to use different brands. I like to stick with one brand, so if I use a Dukeson primer, I like to use the Dukeson hardener, thinners, everything. So, just mix this thing quickly guys, and get it sorted. Also remember, do the measurements right. That's your hardener. Here are my thinners. I'm going to use the fast thinners. I'm going to use you see, it's also a Dukeson brand, so I'm going to use the thinners fast. I'm going to mix this one through, and then I'm going to master car quickly. Gonna put on the primer, then we in the game guys. Put it out, get it dry quickly, sand it off, and paint it. Okay, that's enough. Always use a paint stick, stir it properly. Okay guys, that's enough primer that I'm gonna use now. I'm not gonna mix anymore. This is going to be way more than enough. Okay, let me show you guys. This is how much I've got. Perfect. Okay guys, now as I'm walking out, take this car. I already started masking it. See there, I'm gonna put a little bit of primer there, the rust spot is out. Okay guys, as you can see, I gave it a quick mask. I'm just gonna put a bit of primer over there. And then on the other side, I'm gonna put a bit of primer over there. But I'm gonna put it on dry so it can dry quickly, then I'm gonna paint it. Just gonna blend it in here, blend it in there, keep it small. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a white primer here, as you can see. Side, do the same thing. Always keep it small. Okay guys, now I'm gonna get it dry, sand it off, prep for paint. Quick game. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna do a painting over there because this customer needs his guy ASAP. So I'm just gonna do a quick painting here and then also on the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna mask it quickly. Then I'm gonna spray it. Also here, do a quick touch up. It's gonna be 100%. You guys, as you can see, I'm just doing a touch up there. I'm doing a Jerome mist on the base. Then I'm gonna do a paint with the clear there, and then it's gonna be alright. And it's looking good. I don't see any color difference or anything. Good.